Hi everyone, my name is Sandra Miller and I'm 42 years old and I live in Anaheim Hills, California. I met Cassie when she was just a couple of weeks old. I was in college at the time and found out that I was pregnant with her.
Hi, I'm Cassie. I'm 21 years old and I'm a senior student at Texas Christian University in Fort Worth, Texas. Ever since I was little, she has always dedicated her life to giving me the best life possible and just making opportunities available to me that she was never able to have when she was younger.
I was a single, very inexperienced mom and had no clue as to how to handle the situation. One thing that has always been very important to me and still is are the relationships in my life. I'm a big believer that you need to spend time with those people that you love because life's too short and sometimes you never know what's around the next corner.
My senior year of high school, because of the economic recession that hit the United States and especially was really big in California, she lost her job and we lost our house and we lost both of our cars. At first it was really difficult, but honestly looking back, I wouldn't change a thing because it's not so much about having things and it's about the experiences you have. And
I was determined to show her that life was not about material things and that it's more about the people that you love and spending time together. And so our vacations and our travel and our adventures turned into things that we could do at home, simple things, free things. In hindsight, I'm so thankful that the things that occurred did, because I know that I appreciate Cassie more than anyone will ever know, and that the bond that we created in that time is the strongest that we've ever had.
I am now a senior, and so I just have one semester left.
She lives in Texas and I live here in California, so we spend a great deal of time away from one another. We have dinner via Skype.
I call her when I'm walking to class. We do the best we can to stay in contact with each other. It would just really mean so much to me, and I know so much to both of us, if we were able to be a part of the Amazing Race next year, because that's when I graduate, and I just think it would be really awesome to be able to travel together. It would reunite us and just be an awesome start to a new chapter.
We are very excited at being part of your race, and we can promise you one thing. We are definitely quite the duo. Most embarrassing stories.
Well, there was this one time when I was younger and we were in Mexico. When I was little, I was really shy. And like I said, my mom is a social butterfly, so she is Miss Let's Do Everything Adventure. So we're in Mexico and we're walking down the street.
There was a group that was behind us and they were kind of chatting and laughing and minding their own business, really.
Just like staring us down. And I'm so uncomfortable and so nervous, and she stops, looks over at me. In my head I'm thinking, what in the world is she about to do?
I was going to assure her that these people were not following us. And so I turn around and do a move like, oh, pretending to scare them away. And Cassie and I both laughed about the situation.
Almost had a panic attack.
One thing that I hope to accomplish during our time on the race is to create more memories. The money would be awesome, but the memories, you take those with you.
Is that good?
Wait, why is the video on?
Because it's video worthy.